In this video, I'll show you how you can capitalize each word in Excel. Now let's say you have these right here and you want them to look like these. Obviously, it's very easy to just type it, but let's say you have a lot more text. What you can do is you can use this formula equals proper, then open parenthesis and type the bracket right here. So what you can do is you can hold down Control and click on it. Then press Enter. And as you can see, it will capitalize it. Let's try again. Proper, parenthesis, Control, click. Or you can text the column in manually. Press Enter and it will do it again. So that's basically how you can do it in Excel, guys. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.